Imagine walking into your living room, sitting down, and with a single click, your entire house transforms. The lights dim to a cinematic amber, your shades draw closed, and a screen comes to life with a clarity so sharp it feels like looking through a window, not a panel. This isn't science fiction. This is the ecosystem that Apple has been quietly building for a decade, and in 2026, it is reaching its final, most powerful form. For years, the world asked, why would I pay $150 for a box when my TV already has apps? If you've ever asked that question, you've been looking at the wrong map. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Today, we aren't just talking about streaming Netflix. We're talking about the Apple TV 4K, the device that is currently engaged in a silent war to kill the gaming console, the cable box, and the smart home hub all at once. If you think your smart TV is enough, you are leaving 50% of your TV's potential on the table. The Silicon Monster. Why the A17 Pro changes everything. The 2026 leaks have confirmed something that has the industry shaking. The next generation Apple TV is rumored to skip the standard chips and go straight for the A17 Pro. Why does a streaming box need the power of an iPhone 15 Pro? Because Apple is no longer satisfied with just playing movies. They want to own your living room's brain. With the A17 Pro and 8 GB of RAM, we are entering the era of the AI-powered home. This is Apple Intelligence on the big screen. Imagine a Siri that actually works. A Siri that doesn't just find action movies, but understands context like, "Hey Siri, show me that movie where the guy from the bear is in a kitchen, but skip to the part where they start the dinner service." That requires massive on-device processing. Apple is turning your TV into a local AI node. While Roku and Fire Stick are sending your data to the cloud and selling it to advertisers, the Apple TV 4K is processing your life privately and instantly. The console killer. Gaming in 2026. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Gaming. For a decade, Apple Arcade was just mobile games on a big screen. But with the hardware-level ray tracing in the A17 Pro chip, that wall has crumbled. We are seeing leaked benchmarks showing Resident Evil Village, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed Mirage running natively on the Apple TV 4K at 60 frames per second. In the USA, where a PS5 costs $500, Apple is offering a $159 alternative that plays console-quality games, syncs with your PlayStation or Xbox controller, and doesn't require a giant plastic tower taking up space. This is a direct shot at Sony and Microsoft. It's not a gaming console, but for 90% of families, it's the only one they'll ever need to buy. The 8K myth versus the 120 Hz reality. There's a lot of buzz about 8K support in the 2026 model. Let's be real, you probably don't own an 8K TV. But the support for 8K in the new Apple TV isn't about the resolution, it's about the bitrate. Apple is rumored to be launching a new Cinematic Stream protocol that delivers higher than Blu-ray quality over your Wi-Fi 7 connection. And for the sports fans, 120 Hz is the holy grail. Watching the Super Bowl or an NBA game in 120 Hz on an Apple TV feels like being on the sidelines. The motion blur is gone. The lag